Hello, my name is Carrie Childress. I'm a transportation safety engineer for Sanderson Stewart and also the project manager for the town of Erie's County Line Road Improvements Project. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the project and our two conceptual designs, and I encourage you to let us know your preferred design at the end of this presentation. To begin, I'm going to discuss the intent of the County Line Road Improvement Project, and that is threefold. It is to enhance safety along the corridor, to provide multimodal transportation facilities, and to provide improved connectivity. The County Line Road project is based upon improvements to the corridor between Toline Avenue to the south and Evans Street to the north. Special considerations along the corridor include the Erie Elementary and Middle Schools, with Erie Elementary School having direct access off County Line Road, the recreational trail crossing in the southern portion of the corridor, and businesses and residences along and adjacent to the corridor. The process for which we developed our two conceptual designs is as follows. First, we evaluated the existing conditions. We collected traffic data, which includes vehicular, bicycle, and pedestrian data. Then we evaluated historical crash data to look for any crash trends that existed. We solicited community input via an online survey on the website. And you can see the results of that survey on the tab on the top of the website titled What We Heard. We gathered all of this information together and developed two conceptual designs. And finally, I'm going to present them to you, and we're soliciting feedback on these two conceptual designs. So to introduce the designs, first off, I'd like to make note that both designs have the same roadway layout configuration. They both have an 11-foot travel lane in each direction and a 10-foot center left turn lane as needed, and when not needed, there's a median. Concept A has, on the east side, a separated 6-foot wide bicycle lane, followed by a 5-foot sidewalk. On the west side of Concept A, there's a 4-foot bioretention swale separating vehicular traffic from the bicycle lane, an additional 6-foot bicycle lane, and then a 5-foot sidewalk. This layout takes the entire 60 feet of right-of-way. As a reminder, Concept B has the same roadway layout configuration, which is an 11-foot travel lane in each direction and a 10-foot center left turn lane as needed or median. On the east side of Concept B, there's a 5-foot boulevard, which can house bioretention swale, signs as needed, and any utilities, and then a 5-foot sidewalk. On the west side of Concept B, there's a 10-foot wide multi-use trail. This layout allows for 1.5 feet of catch slope where the design intersects with the existing ground on each side. When we're comparing different conceptual designs, it's helpful to look at a pros and cons table. Notice that the first two rows, existing infrastructure and intersection safety, are the same for both concepts because the layout is the same for the roadway for both concepts. When we looked at the required right-of-way easements, Concept B is preferred because that 1.5 feet of catch slope on each side helps to reduce the amount of temporary construction easements that would be needed. This significantly reduces the price. When we're looking at active transportation, both concepts provide a physical barrier between vehicles and the active transportation modes. However, Concept A allows separation between pedestrians and bicyclists, where Concept B is a multi-use path to accommodate both pedestrians and bicyclists. Regarding utility issues, Concept B is preferred because utilities can be housed within that catch slope area. This decreases the need for relocation of utilities, which decreases the price substantially. When we looked at the public opinion from the community survey, 53.5% preferred the idea of a multi-use trail versus separated bike lanes and sidewalks. The most cost-effective option is Concept B because of the reduced cost due to utility issues, and also those temporary construction easements. I appreciate your time and attention listening to this presentation and would love to hear your opinion on what concept you prefer. Please vote on our website and note that there is an area where you can add comments as needed. Thanks so much for your attention to this. We want to help design a corridor that suits the town of Erie's county line community. Thank you.